Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, my chef, it's Razil. Today we start a new chapter. This chapter, it will be about animals inner class with Lambda expression. I know when I talk about, I know each programmer, a lot of programmers hear about animals inner class, he doesn't feel well. I know. I know what I talk about. So, to resolve this complexity about animals inner class, we will use Lambda expression. But, for not each time can do it. Okay? Not each time. When we can do it, we do it. Just simple. Okay? It doesn't mean we have any animals inner class, we can change it to Lambda expression. No. As I repeat, when we can, we do it. Okay? So don't worry, you will be familiar, inshallah, each day with Lambda expression. You will see it become very easy, and you will forget animals in a class, if it's possible, of course. So we tell me first, I don't know what is animals in a class. Animals in a class is to declare class without a name. It is so simple, like this. And I will give you an example, of course, don't worry. I will show you an example. For example, I have the class runnable. Okay? I will create an instance of runnable. I will make runnable air equal new runnable. This declaration is valid or no? I think I give you 30 seconds. No, it isn't valid. Why? Because the runnable is an interface. Okay? So, let's go. Change it. So now I will create runnable air equal new runnable. I open parentheses, I close parentheses, and now I will open curly braces. Okay? And here I will implement the method run. So, public void run. I will define my method run. Okay, I open curly braces, and for each e start from 0 less than 7, for example, e plus plus, I make system out.println. It is the child run. Okay, I close curly braces. I close for also for run method, and after this I close the curly braces for the declaration of runnable. After this, I will create a thread t equal new thread of runnable air. And after this, I will make t dot start. Now, for this declaration, forgot thread. About new thread and don't start. It is not. Don't focus about this. Okay. So just look in what I have right inside new runnable. The run method is the implementation of the method run. That is one abstract method in a runnable interface. Okay. I write it directly. Here, this all part of code is an animals inner class. Okay, I am not using a new class, I cannot create a new class. I am implementing a runnable, after this I will use it. No, directly I am creating. Directly when I create an instance of runnable, I have defined the run method. Okay, and all this part of code, as you can see here, is about an animals inner class. As you can see, it's without a name. Okay, and after this, further, I am creating, for this implementation of run method, I am creating another an instance for runnable. Okay? Just focus what I have right here. It's very, very important. Okay? I repeat, I have defined or implement the run method of runnable interface inside when I create an instance of runnable. Okay, directly. For this, without creating class. I don't create class, my runnable, implement runnable, etc. after implementing run, and I call it after this. No, I directly put it when I create an instance of runnable. And we call this part of code anonymous inner class. Okay? Now I will try to replace my anonymous inner class to Lambda expression. How to do this? You will see it's very easy and you will be familiar inshallah. In enable declaration and equal, here I will define directly the Lambda expression. What I mean? We have a run method, as you can see without parameters. So I open parentheses without parameters, argument, simple arrow. I open curly braces because I have a lot of statement about for loop. So for e from 0 less than 7 e plus plus. I open curly braces, system out of println. It is the child thread. I close curly braces for after for our Lambda expression. When I finish, I will come back to the previous program, same thing, thread t equals new thread of air of my runnable. Okay? And after this, I will make t.start. Remember please, I have talked about this before t.start. I have only one thread, but when I make t.start, I have two threads about a Lambda expression, the code inside Lambda expression, the child thread, and of course for our main program. Okay, I have talked about this before. So now I will try to rewrite code again to make it more useful. Okay? You will tell me if is it possible, for example, to not create runnable error. I don't want to create runnable error. Can I call directly or to write directly my Lambda expression inside thread directly as argument? Yes, we can. No problem. No problem. We can do it. So here, all the code of my Lambda expression, I will move it in the argument of new thread like this. It's very simple. I don't have runnable declaration. Okay? Now compare please. We have these two codes. Compare. Okay? We have without Lambda expression, with anonymous inner class, and with Lambda expression. What is the difference? As you can see, of course, with a Lambda expression is more or less. It's very useful. Okay, do you see what is the complexity? How we change the complexity from anonymous inner class to Lambda expression? Become very easy. Each day when you practice with Lambda expression, you will be familiar, inshallah, and this complexity will go. Okay? So I will see you also for another topic. I think I will continue about anonymous inner class with Lambda expression. You will be again familiar more and more and more. Okay? So I repeat what I have said before. Anonymous inner class is a class declared without name. And also, if we have non-anonymous inner class, we have an opportunity to change it to Lambda expression, but not each time. Okay? Not each time we can do it. We have an opportunity to do it. Okay? I hope that you understand this concept. It's very important. Maybe if make Java course, I will tell you more detail about anonymous inner class because there are a lot of types of anonymous inner class. Okay? So see you in the next video. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.